Orlando Pirates head coach Abdisalam Wadu has praised the impact of inform winger Oswin Apolis after his standout performances earned him the Betway Premiership Player of the Month award for April. The Buccaneers strengthened their title charge with a composed 2-0 victory over Stellenbosch FC at Athlone Stadium on Tuesday night. First half strikes from Evidence Mahupa and Patrick Masangwani sealed the result, while Pirates threatened to extend their lead after the break, with Semron Danson going close. The result capped off a significant day for the Soweto Giants, coming just hours after the Premier Soccer League confirmed Apolis as the league's top performer for April. While much of the spotlight this season has also fallen on rising star Lobohile Mofokeng, Apolis has quietly been instrumental in Pirates' sustained push for the title. His pace, directness, and attacking intelligence have made him one of the league's most dangerous wide players and a serious contender for end-of-season honours. Speaking after the win, Wadu was quick to place the accolade within the broader context of the team's collective effort, and said, "I always prefer to speak about the collective because that's what matters the most." Apolis is shining within that structure thanks to his teammates. However, the coach did not shy away from acknowledging the winger's individual brilliance and said he's a fantastic player. He gave us something special, technically, and in the final third, his creativity is crucial for us. Players like Riley Apolis, Dito Masangwani, and even Andre de Jong bring that spark you need to unlock defenses. The victory sees Pirates close the gap on lock leaders Mamelodi Sundowns to just 2 points, intensifying what is shaping up to be a gripping title race. Sundowns, however, have the opportunity to restore their advantage when they host Amakosi at Loftus Versfeld on Wednesday evening, a clash that could once again shift the balance at the top. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.